Okay, so we have a plan and we have an idea. Let's go and do it.
Let's do it.
Hello, hello. I'm looking for boxer. No, this is perfect. This is perfect. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Welcome. Thank you so much. Thanks, Dave. Bye bye. Okay, so the question is, can you slide down a dune with a box? I don't know if this kite is gonna fly, but we will find out. You think it's gonna work?
Let's see. I hope so.
I'm skeptical about it. Let's go to the steeper part, which is up there. Microlight. The sand is hot. Leon, are you going first? Ah, the sand is hot. Well, at least we can use a box to stand on it. It's not working! Maybe I should give it a go from here. Okay. It's a no-go. It's not working. It's not working at all. We are running down. Let's have a race. Okay, Leona's not giving up. Okay, we're gonna have a race. Are you ready? Go! Okay, we're gonna ask these guys now if they have a boat that we can borrow quickly.
Yeah, we're sandboarding.
Yeah, sandboarding.
Yeah.
Tell me quickly, what do you use as a bodyboard?
That's just normal cardboard.
You can use it.
Yeah, but it's actually it has a flat surface, smoother surface.
Yeah.
So you can buy it in a hardware shop.
So you can use it.
Yeah, you can use it. It's actually the traditional method of sandboarding.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you doing a vlog?
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is one of the things we want to do.
Oh man, yeah, we're actually a sandboarding company.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, we're a sandboarding company, so we rent out our boats and we take out clients, teach them, instruct them. Yeah.
Okay, where are you based?
We're based in Swakpmund.
Swakopmund.
Yeah.
And how much is it per day or per hour?
It's 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 750 per person. Lunch included, snacks in the afternoon.
Okay, where can the guys find you? What's the company's name?
Instagram, cultural tours and sandboarding.
Okay, good. Good.
We definitely do township tours and sandboarding out in Swakopmund.
Okay, so whenever you guys are here, go and support these guys. But from me now, I need to try that. I need to try
I'll
that.
put you on the board real quick.
Yes.
Good, yeah.
There we go. Hi guys.
What are you doing now? Vloggy.
Vloggy. What's the reason for this now? To make it smooth?
Yeah, it's for the ride actually, because there's a friction when the board rubs against the sand.
Okay,
It's like a barrier.
Okay.
Okay, you guys found your guinea pig.
Who else? We are the guinea pigs.
And also, it's the first time out here for them also. It's our friends, so I just brought them out. That's a
Oh, is it? Okay. Have they done it? Have you guys done it yet?
Oh, yes, before.
Once. How was it? Nice.
It's nice. Accelerating.
Oh, that's nice. Good.
Okay, so I think you're vlogging so you can sit in front. And then you need to hold it with one hand. Okay, feet on the board. Yeah, boy, you in your back.
Okay.
Feet on the board.
Feet on the board.
And then both your hands to the side like this. Drag them on your palms, on the sides. Don't
Okay,
let
so
go.
make sure we don't crash.
That's the control. So don't let go. Just drag them lightly, like this. Check.
Okay, that's the control, so you need to... Okay, just hold on quickly.
3, 2, 1. There you go. Push.
We've done it! We've done it! She was laughing more than us. We've done it! That was cool. Oh damn. Okay. How much do I owe you for the board?
Huh?
How much do I owe you?
Just a little 50 is okay, man.
A 50?
Yeah, we replace it.
I'll bring you 50. I'm gonna use it again.
Alright, for sure, man. Maybe just wax it up a little bit. You guys try this one.
Those ones? No, it's okay. I'm gonna break my neck.
You're gonna need a whole session for that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now we leave it to the professionals.
Not bad.
We will just try this. We've got the board now, so... Are we doing it again? Okay, wax it up.
You
Then
gotta wax it first.
yes.
You have to wax it now. When it's nice and smooth, then you come on the box smooth, but you must come from the side because it's already long.
Oh yes. Ah yes. We'll go on that side there.
I wanna be like those.
You made it. Okay, we just bought this board from him. Now this is not going to work. It's going to scoop up the sand. Okay. Are you ready? Front or back? Back. But then you must stop us.
I'm not gonna go thank God.
Okay, we'll come and get the boxes now. Thank you. Thanks,
Let's go.
Okay, come. Now your feet must be on the boat. Yeah. I think we must go that way. Let's go that way. No, there's too many bumps here. That one there. Maybe go there. Maybe go here. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Easy. Okay, let's go from here. Okay, wait, I must hold this up. Okay, a little bit back. Okay, are we ready? We are ready, I think. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, Leon, let's go. Let's do it one last time. Okay, that's it. There's nothing left here. Well, that was fun. Okay, so we came to the conclusion that you cannot use a normal box, but you can use a cardboard. Okay guys, that's it from us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, we're just in time for sunset. We just want to get to the top of this dune, then we'll show you this pretty sunset. We don't have much time left. It's okay. I'm getting there. Wow. Look at that. Let's see if I can go a little bit higher. I don't think we're gonna go to the top. It's pretty awesome from here. Wow.